Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will be board number 2 from the second section of Sacrificing Material chapter 9. This will deal with sacrificing material to checkmate, and if you have not read the lecture notes in front of the presented at the front of the video, please do so. So without further ado, the position shown here was reached in an actual match and was played by experts. Unfortunately, not much other information was furnished in the book. Nevertheless, it is Red's turn to move. A quick analysis of the situation would show that Red have two chariots, one horse and one cannon, 3 pawns, and a single elephant guard. Black would have two chariots, one cannon, one horse, 3 pawns, and only two advisors. Now it's Red's turn to move. The situation is entering its climax, and the room for error is minimal. So at this point in time, Black was threatening to gain material with each by capturing the elephant by force or simply playing retreating the chariot to gain material. So Red, after much contemplation, decided to set a little trap for Black, and he retreated the uh, chariot to the riverbank, threatening to capture the Black chariot, and Black fell for it. So what did Black do? Black immediately thought that he could trade material and had gained a winning position at this point in time. Instead, Black should have played r4 equals to 3, and it could have been a draw. But unfortunately, Black fell into Red's trap, and let us see what trap did Red have prepared. Immediately, Red sacrificed his chariot. Now this will mark the start of a series of moves that will lead to the final kill. So at this point in time, this will be a check. Black must resolve this check. Now a4 plus 5 will play. So if k6 plus 1, a check, and Red would have a winning position. Now one thing to note at this point in time, uh, Black cannot capture the chariot, otherwise Red would deliver a check, checkmate. So a5 plus 4 was played in the game. Unfortunately, this will mark the start of a brilliant series of moves to deliver a win. Immediately, a check by the horse, retreating to the central file. And Black was forced to make this move. Now, if he had played a4 plus 5, Red would deliver a check, and Red would go for the tiger silhouette. Checkmate. Now, for beginners, check, Red can only make this move. Now, for beginners, Red can only move here, tiger silhouette attack, discover check, and Red would gain the chariot and a winning position. So if k6 plus 5, check, horse cannon, forcing the chariot to block, double check, and the king can only move to the he cannot move over here because the cannon will be delivering a check. Checkmate. So k6 equals to 5, a4 plus 5 are all not viable. So in the book, in the match, k6 plus 1. Again, another check. Red was simply relentless, and Black would be forced to retreat if he moved to the center, and Red would now deliver a check in this manner. No matter where the king, for example, if the king retreated, this would be a checkmate. So at this point in time, Red will now deliver a check, again sacrificing the horse, forcing the king to move, forcing the chariot to retreat, and thus delivering a rank checkmate over here. So this is quite an impressive kill. Now let us go through this example again from the eyes of Black. Okay, again, if black had played r4 equals to 3, the situation would have been a draw. Instead, red set a little trap, and black fell for it. And immediately, red sacrificed this chariot, forcing the advisor to take it. Otherwise, if k6 plus 1, check, and red would gain a winning position. h7 minus 5, check, k6 plus 1. Again, if k6 equals to 5, check, horse cannon checkmate, forcing the chariot to retreat, double check, and checkmate. If a4 plus 5 to block the horse, check, tiger silhouette. And black will lose material and red will still win the game. h5 plus 3, another check, again, h6 plus 1. If k6 equals to 5, red will deliver a check and let's say over here, checkmate. h3 plus 2, sacrifice, another sacrifice, and checkmate. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for this video. Thank you.